Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Mazda 6. Stock number is A6828. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a 6-disc changer. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda 6 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.